Welcome to Ampler Factory. This is where all our e-bikes are born. I'm Ardo Kaurit, the CEO and co-founder of Ampler, and today we continue our second generation bike launch. We recently revealed our two new bike models, Juuna and Axel, and today we will show you the new generation Kurt, Stellar and Stout. Even though the names might be familiar, almost every part on the bikes is redesigned for an even better riding experience. Here is Ampler Kurt, our lightest e-bike that simply stands out. The sporty geometry is designed for fast moves, and the straight handlebar makes it highly responsive. Thanks to a carbon fork and minimalist design, the Kurt weighs just 14.4 kilos, making it one of the lightest, if not the lightest, commuter e-bikes in the world. The new generation Kurt is equipped with wider 40mm puncture-protected tires by Panaracer, which add an extra layer of comfort to the ride while still feeling the direct connection to the road. You can go with the cleanest option choosing the Gates carbon belt drive, or you can add more versatility by choosing the Shimano Dior 11-speed derailleur setup. The lightweight of the bike and our high-torque motor will give you a quick start from the traffic lights. The high-performance Shimano disc brakes will stop you in a dime when needed. There is no resistance felt from the motor switched off, so you can also use the bike well even without electric assist. Under the minimalistic skin, the Kurt still has everything you need for a daily commute. A new, more powerful front light and bright LEDs integrated into the seat post, full fenders, and an optional rear carrier. The new electronics platform includes an integrated display built into the top tube to conveniently check remaining range or trip data. The power button is placed just under the display for easy access and clean look. All our new bikes include a mobile connection and a GPS location tracking that enables you to locate your bike or lock it from unauthorized use remotely from your phone for extra security. The bike can also alert you if someone tries to move your bike. The mobile connection also delivers your ride data to the Ampler mobile app automatically. The updated battery with smart battery management system is hidden in the town tube and is removable for servicing. It packs about 70 kilometers of range to complete your daily rides and takes a full charge in just 2.5 hours. The magnetic charging socket is placed discreetly into the lower part of the frame, and it has a dust cover to keep itself clean. The shifting cables and brake hoses are internally routed to keep a minimalist frame design. The bike comes in matte black color and in 3 frame sizes designed for riders from 160 to 198 centimeters in height. If you're looking for the lightest and sportiest electric bike for daily commutes, the Ampler Kurt should be your choice. Next up is Ampler Stellar, our most versatile e-bike in a low-step frame that has it all. Stellar combines lightness, smooth ride, and convenience. Its semi-upright riding position and ergonomic grips and saddle offer high comfort but still an active feel. Equipped with 9 gears and our high-torque rear motor, climbing uphill is a breeze. The new frame comes in smaller sizes that makes it accessible for more riders. Now wider, 47mm top contact 2 tires by Continental offer high puncture resistance to minimize the risk of having a flat tire on your way. High-performance Shimano Dior hydraulic disc brakes and other high-quality components ensure that Stellar delivers all that is expected from it. Taking into account everything it has to offer, Stellar is featherweight at 17.8 kilos. Gear cables and brake hoses run almost entirely inside the frame, making them less prone to damages and the bike look cleaner. The new motor connector design reduces the risk of damaging it while removing the rear wheel for maintenance. Some other examples of improvements based on the feedback from our lovely customers include changing the button location to a more accessible place, making the low step even lower, moving the rear light to the rear fender for improved visibility with a loader carrier, adding a dust cover to a magnetic charging socket, and vastly improving the battery charge feedback accuracy thanks to a smart battery management system. Also, all new bike frames, forks and fenders are powder-coated in our own painting line just next to the factory to ensure not just good looks, but also higher durability against scratches. The brighter front light is also fitted to the Stellar, and the rear one that's integrated into the fender includes a road-compliant reflector. The in-frame display can inform you about remaining range and active assist mode. You can switch between the assist modes or control lights via the button on the frame. The display shuts down while riding, keeping all your focus on the road, and turns back on when you stop. You could also turn the display to be off at all times if you wish to be even more discreet. The Ampler app gives you an extra layer of control over the bike, including fine-tuning the electric assist of the bike. You have access to see the ride data, your bike location on a map, and software updates. You can also share access to your bike with your family and friends, while still keeping unauthorized use of the bike limited. The improved riding feel of the Stellar is even better than it was. Smoother, more natural, and more powerful. The Stellar comes in either racing red or deep blue color, and in two frame sizes designed for riders from 160 until 185 centimeters in height. If you are looking for a carefree, all-rounder electric bike in a low-step frame for your daily commutes and more, Stellar should be your choice. The new generation Ampler Stout, a versatile all-rounder in a diamond frame. Stout shares most of its components with Stellar, but still takes its unique stand. It's a loyal companion everywhere you go. The 9-gear drivetrain takes the strain out of commuting and speeds up your rides, from short city ones to longer trips in the countryside or hauling a trailer uphill. At 17.8 kilos, Stout is a lot lighter than most of the e-bikes out there and rides well even if you happen to run out of charge. The bike comes in forest green or burr black color and in two frame sizes designed for riders from 170 until 200 centimeters in height. If you're looking for a carefree and versatile electric bike for your daily commutes and more, Stout should be your choice. Check out amplerbikes.com for more specific information, or go for a test ride with the new bikes at one of our showrooms in Berlin, Cologne, Amsterdam, Tallinn, and soon in Zurich. Or look out for our ambassadors in more than 20 cities around Europe. The deliveries of first customer orders for the Kurt, Stellar and Stout start in just a few weeks, so make sure to order yours in time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you join our journey. The ride is yours.